Welcome back. In our previous tutorial, I taught you a command that you can use to open Explorer from this command line. So if you want to have the exact picture of what you're going to have in graphical user interface, I said what you need to do is to type a command, which we just learned. You type start space, then you type the word Explorer. And so we found ourselves opening Explorer here. So this is the point where we ended in our previous tutorial. So now, today I'm just going to teach you again only one command. And the command is how do you switch back to the command line interface, just in case you want to move back to the command line interface. So what you need to do is you take your cursor where you are able to see this path right here. You're able to see the C up here, users, and Mr. Singogo. Then what you need to do here on your PC, you should be able to show the user's name for your machine there, for your computer. So what you need to do is just click right here once, like that. So I just had to click once, and you see you're able to see the exact path up there. C colon backslash users backslash Mr. Singogo there. So what you're going to do is, while that is selected with that blue color, what you need to do is to type the word CMD. It's going to replace whatever is there. And then just hit enter on your keyboard and see what happens. It opens the command line interface. So from the graphical user interface, you can switch back to the command line interface. Very powerful feature there. So what is important here is, one, you can open Explorer when you are already in the command line interface, okay, or you're already in the terminal. And then you can also switch back from the graphical user interface and back to the command line. And this is exactly what we've done here. See you in the next tutorial where I'll be teaching you even more powerful commands. Thank you for watching.